Motors and drives. Electric motors are the driving force behind countless industrial applications. 70% of all industrial electricity consumption is from electric motor load. Our training shows you how to test, control, troubleshoot, and maintain motors and VFDs to ensure safe, efficient operation. At EFTI, we deliver live instructor-led courses that teach skills in motors and variable frequency drives, focusing on performance testing, fault detection, and drive programming. These courses are suitable for both factory floor technicians and engineers advancing their expertise. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the motors and drives courses we offer. Electric motor training. Our course teaches methods for load calculations, motor sizing, and fault current analysis. Electric motor testing. Our course helps you learn proven methods to assess motor performance and detect faults early. Motor control training. Our course helps you master control techniques and troubleshooting for reliable performance. VFD training. Our course equips electrical professionals with the skills to properly install, test, commission, and maintain variable frequency drives for energy-efficient performance. Why it matters. Motors and drives are the backbone of industry. Done right, they keep operations smooth and efficient. Done poorly, they cause downtime, costly repairs, and safety risks. Our training helps you get it right. Who should attend? These courses are designed for electricians, engineers, technicians, and facility managers and consultants. Anyone responsible for maintaining, troubleshooting, and optimizing electric motors and drives. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Keep your operations reliable and efficient. Explore our motors and drives training today to improve performance, prevent downtime, and power your future with confidence.